Please refer to the end of this video for important safety information. Welcome to your Algovita spinal cord stimulation system. Our goal is to deliver a powerful system that is easy to use so you can move beyond your pain and get back to doing what you love in life. This is a short guide of how to use your Algovita charging system to charge your stimulator. The Algovita charging system was designed to help you with your at-home charging and programming needs. With its color-coded touchscreen and wireless communication, the charging system is there to make charging a simple part of your routine. To begin charging, connect the charging paddle to your charging system. Once the paddle is connected, the orange charge icon in the top right will illuminate. Once the orange icon is lit up, tap the icon. The charge status screen will appear, which will prompt you to position your charging paddle over your stimulator to begin charging. To position the paddle over your stimulator, you have two options. You can either use the adjustable belt to hold the paddle in place, or you can use the adhesive patches. If you decide to use the adhesive patches, peel the protective paper from the blank side of a patch. Then secure the patch to the charging paddle's surface, which is the unlabeled side of the paddle. Remove the paper from the front of the patch, but don't stick the patch to your skin until the final charging paddle position is determined. When you have either put the paddle on your adjustable belt or have an adhesive patch on the paddle, position the paddle over your stimulator and tap OK on the charge status screen. Move the paddle back and forth over your stimulator until the alignment icon appears on the charge status screen. The alignment icon looks like a red target hovering over your stimulator. Adjust the charging paddle until the alignment icon is green and centered over the stimulator icon. You'll see green bars on the bottom left of the screen. The more bars that are visible, the higher your charging efficiency. Once you have the alignment icon centered over the stimulator, tighten the belt or press the charging paddle with an adhesive patch securely to your skin. Tap OK to begin charging. The Charging in Progress screen will appear. As the stimulator battery charges up to each charge level, the associated bar on the stimulator battery charge level icon appears and flashes. During charging, a notification screen may appear if the charging paddle has moved out of alignment with your stimulator or your charging paddle is disconnected from your charging system. Tap OK to return to the home screen and repeat the charging steps. When your stimulator is fully charged, a Charging Complete screen appears. Tap OK and disconnect the charging paddle to complete charging. Welcome to your Algovita SCS system and your life beyond pain. Warnings: do not charge your stimulator when you are sleeping. While charging, the charging paddle may become too warm, which could result in a burn. When charging your stimulator, do not use the AC power adapter near water or during a lightning storm. Electric shock, serious injury, or death may result. Caution: avoid charging your stimulator in flammable atmospheres, for example during vehicle refueling. Using a battery-powered device near flammable atmospheres can produce a spark, which may result in injury.